and the columns are labeled with the letters A to J. I'll start by plugging an LED across the center of the board at locations 10E and 10F. The negative lead of the LED is at 10E, the positive lead at 10F. To complete the circuit, we will plug the negative battery lead into 10A and the red positive lead into 10J. If you try this and your LED doesn't light, make sure it is installed the right way around. The negative lead of the LED has a flat spot on the edge of the plastic globe. Here is how these boards facilitate circuit building. The negative black lead is connected to the LED by a metal conductor under the holes from 10A to 10E. Similarly, on the other side, the LED is connected to the red positive lead by a metal conductor under the holes 10F to 10J. This means you can plug the black lead into any of the holes 10A, B, C, or D. The metal bar ends at 10E. This is true for the positive side of the board also. But if you connect to a different row 11 for example, the LED won't light. Each row is separated by an insulating plastic barrier. Move your LED to a different row. Reconnect it by connecting the battery leads to that row. If your LED doesn't light, check the LED. It might be backwards. Building complex circuits requires multiple battery connections, and breadboards have a nice feature that make it easy to connect to the power supply. The long rows of holes beside the red and blue lines on the board are power lines. A long metal conductor runs the full length of the board under each row of holes. For this demonstration, we are using the red and blue lines closest to the inside of the board. To energize the power lines, plug the negative black battery lead in beside the blue line, and the positive red battery lead in beside the red line. It doesn't matter which hole you plug into, all holes in each power line are connected. Now we need to connect the LED to the power lines. Take two short wires and connect one from the LED to the blue negative supply line and the other side to the red positive supply line. If the LED doesn't light, make sure it is the right way around. It is now easy to connect additional LEDs. Plug them across the center of the board, then use short wires to connect them to the power lines. We now have 4 LEDs connected. Are they connected in parallel or series? These LEDs are connected in parallel. Here's how you connect 2 LEDs in series.